When it comes to online videos, YouTube is undoubtedly the ultimate destination. The video sharing platform has established itself as a peerless social media site where modern video culture unfolds every day. Because of this, businesses have turned to YouTube to increase their brand relevancy and drive video marketing strategies. However, achieving the desired result is very hard for marketers who are not abreast of important YouTube trends. In this video, we'll discuss all the major YouTube trends you should watch out for in 2021. Day in my life. The day in my life vlogs have become the bread and butter of every modern lifestyle YouTuber. This YouTube trend is as easy as it sounds. Turn on your camera and take your viewers throughout your day. Most subscribers follow lifestyle YouTubers to get insights into their lives and ideas on how to implement things to their own. However, this trend is no longer limited to influencers only. Beauty tutorials. If you launch your YouTube app, you'll definitely find one or two beauty tutorials on the home screen. Beauty tutorials have grown into a more inclusive trend because today anyone can do them without the added pressure and much homework. Most often such videos are done in the context of "Get Ready With Me" vlog, where the subscribers can follow along by literally doing her makeup with their favorite YouTubers. Shopping, clothing haul. Shopping hauls or clothing hauls are a popular YouTube trend for almost any vlogger. Whether you are into fitness, lifestyle, or travel, everyone wears different types of clothes. Clothes are also a great reflection of a person's style and personality, so it becomes easier for YouTubers to express themselves to their viewers through clothing hauls. Some hauls are just made to show off styles and some are made for promoting a clothing brand. However, such videos are trending today as they inspire subscribers on what to buy and from where to buy. Reactions. Reaction videos are trending on YouTube and will continue to trend because they can be related to anything. Reaction videos can be made on many topics such as films, music videos, album releases, and celebrities' red carpet looks, etc. Collaborations. Collaboration videos are very effective for YouTubers trying to gain views and subscribers from a new audience. Today, small YouTubers are collaborating with other highly influential YouTubers to reach the latter's subscribers. Generally, subscribers enjoy seeing their favorite YouTubers together on a single channel because it shows that they are friends both on and off YouTube. What I eat in a day. What I eat in a day videos are one of the most popular YouTube trends today. Almost every lifestyle and fitness YouTubers make such videos to let their subscribers know what all they eat in a standard day. Especially, fitness YouTubers incorporate eating videos into their routine videos in order to promote healthy food choices that go along with their lifestyles and workouts. Such videos are great options for viewers to get ideas on what healthy options they can add to their day-to-day life. Recreating celebrity photos. Recreating celebrity or influencer photos is one of the great YouTube trends for YouTubers trying to appeal to pop culture. When celebrities post their high-fashion photo shoots on platforms like Instagram, fans find it super cool to stalk. Most YouTubers try to recreate those looks to entertain their followers. Gaming videos. Gaming vloggers who transformed into YouTube stars continue to be the second most viewed genre on YouTube. The most popular category of this trend is live gaming, also known as Let's Play. Generally, school-goers and teenagers are followers of such kind of videos. Surprises. Surprise vlogs are not as common as other trends as they require a larger budget, but they are very effective for bigger influencers having a larger fan following. In such videos, generally, influencers surprise their loved ones with different gifts and unexpected experiences. These videos can also be made in partnership with big brands where YouTubers can promote the brand by surprising their dear ones by gifting a product from that brand. Wrap up. The proliferation of YouTube content means you need to produce more unique and impactful content to stay competitive, and that's where marketers enter. Create your YouTube content aligned to these trends. Reach your target audience on the video sharing platform. A Bill Must production.